Let me show you a working calculator that I have created using Alibaba AI model Qwen. Let me add two numbers like 89 plus 56 is equal, and there you can see the answer. And similarly, we can clear it right from here. And let me multiply two numbers like 45 multiply with 45 is equal, and there is a response. So it is beautiful looking 3D calculator made in Alibaba's new AI model Qwen. Hey everyone, in the race for better AI models, China multinational company Alibaba came with their own model called Qwen. Let's have a look at it. So right in the middle, you can see we have these options: artifacts, web search, image generation, and video generation. And just below this search bar, you can see we have been given these options: create image, code, make a plan, etc. This means this is what we can actually do with this Qwen 2.5 Max model. As I hover over the options given over here, you can see it says web search is coming soon. And likewise over here, video generation 2 is not available currently. First, let me test this model with an image generation. So before writing in your prompt, you must specify what you are doing. So let me select this image generation first. And now I'm going to paste my prompt right over here. And you can see I've asked create a vivid, hyper-detailed image of an astronaut performing maintenance inside International Space Station. And you can read the rest of the text from here. Now simply go over here on the right and click on this send message. And there you go. It's trying to create what I've asked, and sooner it would reveal what it has in store for us. You can see it's near to generate the image we have requested. And there you go. It has created that wonderful image that we have requested. It seems quite realistic. Let me click over it, and you can see, since I have not specified the size of the image, so it has gone for the default option, and there you can see the image. And you can download this image right from here, and here is the option of share. Since it has given us a very good image, so I'm going to give it a good response. And let me download it right from here. Let me open it, and there you can see how beautiful, detailed this image is. Just look at it. So with regard to image generation, it is at par with Openai. Rather, I would say it is pretty much close to Midjourney. Now, if you want further refinement in the picture, you can write right over here and then ask the Qwen chat to redo the image for you. Let me click over here, and over here you can see we have all those options like 9:16, 16 by 9, 4:3 or 3:4, and 1 by 1. Let me go over here and click on new chat. Now let me test its coding skills. So I'm going to ask it to create a simple calculator. So I would write my prompt right over here. So here is my prompt: create a beautiful looking arithmetic calculator in HTML. It should have beautiful 3D charcoal colored buttons. This time I'm going to choose this option, artifacts. So simply click over it, and from here click on send message, and let's wait. So there you can see it's doing the work. It is writing the code in HTML, and over here you can see when this calculator is complete, we would be able to see its preview right in front of our eyes. And there you can see it has created a beautiful calculator with 3D buttons. You can actually see the button looks really beautiful. And right over here you can see we have this option open in full screen, and from here we can copy this code as well, and we can also copy the code right from here as well. Since it has done a brilliant job, so I'm going to give it a good response. So let me click over here to open it in full screen. And there you go. Look at this beautiful calculator. Let me test it with a few problems. Let me multiply 8 with 7 is equal, and there you can see the response. And right from here you can clear it, and let me write some lengthy number like this, and let's multiply it with 45 is equal, and there is the response. So with regard to coding capabilities, I think none of the models currently available can match the strength of Alibaba's AI model Qwen chat. So let me go over here to create a new chat, and this time I'm going to upload a document, which is this photovoltaic energy, a PDF document that I'm going to ask to summarize it. So let me write, would you please summarize this text in few sentences? Now the file has been uploaded and I've asked it to summarize the text in few sentences. So let me send the message. It's working. And here you can see it has given us the response. This text provides an overview of photovoltaic energy, highlighting its potential and impact. And believe me, it has beautifully summarized the text inside this PDF document. Since I already know the text, so I can judge the summary it has created from this PDF document. Let me open new chat once again. And let me upload an image, and here you can see the selected model doesn't support image files, so currently we can't upload any JPEG or PNG file right into it, but we can upload PDF or Microsoft Word files. Now let me judge its mathematical capability. So I'm going to ask it, so here is my question: what's the value of x in 5x plus 2 is equal to 22? So let me click over here and let's see what does it do. You can see, like a good mathematician, it is doing its job, and there you go. It has found the answer, which is x is equal to 4, and it is a perfect answer. Let me test the model with some language skills. So here I have written a short prompt: write a short poem on the 8th birthday of my daughter Noor. So let me click on send message and wait for its response. And there you go. It has started pinning down the poem. Today the sun shines bright and clear, for Noor's 8th birthday is here. A joy is heard, a soul so sweet, her laughter makes its life moments complete. Beautiful. It looks as if it was composed by a prominent poet. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.